Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off those auto-playing videos on Facebook. If you're tired of videos starting on their own while you scroll, this guide is for you. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a smoother, more controlled Facebook experience. Let's get started. Open your Facebook app and click on the three horizontal lines. Now scroll down and select the option for Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and then move on to the next step. Now scroll down and click on Media. So now to disable autoplay videos on Facebook, select the option Never Autoplay Videos. Congratulations, your autoplay videos are now turned off. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.